I'm jumping out the second floor. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. You wear me out. What will it take to show you that it's not the life it seems? I've told you time and time again, you sing the words, but still know what it means to be a joke. And look, another line without a hook. I held you close as we both shook for the last time. Take a good hard look. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. You wear me out. Forget about the dirty looks, the photographs your boyfriend took. You said you'd read me like a book, but the pages all are torn and frayed. But you really need to listen to me, because I'm telling you the truth. I mean this, I'm okay. Trust me. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. But I'm not okay. I'm not fucking okay. I'm not that I can't make you stay, but where's your heart? But where's your heart? But where's your... And I know there's nothing I can say to change that part. To change that part. To change. So many bright lights to cast a shadow, but can I speak? Well, is it hard understanding? I'm incomplete. A life that sounds demanding. Why get so weak? A love that sounds demanding. I can't speak. I am not afraid to keep on living. I am not afraid to walk this world alone. If you stay, I'll be forgiven. Nothing you can say can stop me going home. Can you say my eyes are shining bright? 'Cause I'm out here on the other side of a cheap black hotel mirror, and I'm so weak. Is it hard understanding? I'm incomplete.